What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2006 Suzuki Gsxr 750. This thing is really clean for a 2006. It's a really nice bike. You know, got some of these stump bars here, the Two Brothers exhaust. But let's take a walk around this thing so you guys can see exactly what you're looking at. Got this nice rear tire here. This thing looks really new. Got a lot of life left on it. There's not a lot of things on here that are just straight factory. Up here we have the Fender Eliminator Kit. There's your license plate light. I really like the way these bikes look from the back. They're pretty sweet. Coming along the side here, you can see the rotor here, the rear wheel. Got the, is it an Avon tire. Got the passenger pegs right there, got them flipped up. Got the aftermarket Two Brothers racing exhaust. Thing looks cool, sounds cool. You guys can hear that later in the video. For like 14,000 miles, this bike is like almost brand new for a 2006. Got the Two Brothers sticker here on the swing arm. It is a very clean motorcycle. Do not miss out on the test drive that Sean did. It'll be up on YouTube, and you guys can find that there. Got the rear brake here. Got these, I don't know what to call these. I want to call these crash bars. Sometimes they're called stump bars, but it's definitely good for protecting the bike if for some reason it would go down. It does not appear that this particular bike was down. As you can see, the belly pan is pretty clean there with Suzuki on it. I don't see like any major like dings or dents or scratches or anything. I've been looking really hard trying to find something because I didn't want to just say, oh, this bike's in great shape. But I don't see anything that jumps out at me. Even here on the frame, looking pretty clean. Seat looks good. Does have the seat cowl. We do have the passenger seat for this bike, so that will be included. Head up here to the front. You can see the fork tube sticking out front of the front fairing, the front fender there. See the rotors, they're in pretty nice shape. Coming around here, this front tire is looking good. Probably be ready for a new one, but definitely not for inspection or anything like that. It'll be good to go. This front fender's pretty clean. This headlight's looking good. Again, guys, this bike is just really clean. Got some bug juice on it. I mean, the guy rode it, but like I said, at 14,000 miles for a 2006, I think it spent more time in the garage than it did on the road by the way it looks, but that's a good thing for you guys. See the other side, got the rotor there, the reflector, fork tube. You guys can see up in there, looking good. Guys, do not miss out on the test drive video of this bike. This thing is quick. Like I said, it's a 2006 Suzuki Gsxr 750. All the decals look good. Again, we got these crash bars here on this side again. Looking at the motor bay on this side. I'll spin this bike around, get you guys some more light on it. You can see everything. Looks like there's a small mark there. Looks like there's some kind of underglow here that's sticking down just a little bit. That's pretty cool. I like those on the sport bikes. It is chain driven. The chain looks to be in decent shape. Got the rider pegs, shifter knob. Again, just very clean. Some spots here, but not scratches, just some like smudges. This bike is clean. It's definitely not down at all. Looks super nice. Got the passenger pegs, flip down. Got the tender cable. Over top here. Looks like we got some very small mark there behind the Suzuki logo. Again, these are clean. Got the rear cowl. I like the way the cowl looks on these sport bikes. Seat looks to be in really nice shape. Not a lot of padding there. Sport bikes are not known for their comfy seats. Got the tank protector from Pro Grip. Coming up over the top. Again, not a lot to report. It's very clean. Turn this bad boy on for a second. Check the mileage. You are at 14,030 miles. Everything good here on the controls. And the fuel pump run. fire this bad boy up so you guys can hear it. Looks like I'm gonna have to do both. Fires right up. This thing sounds sweet. There's that Two Brothers exhaust. I'm gonna shut it down. Shut it down so you guys can hear me talk. Like I said, this is a really clean 2006 Gsxr 750. Got the headlight on. Let's check the signals, make sure the signals are working. Right side, I'm sorry, left side rear. Turn the right side rear signal going there, and right side front signal is good there in the mirror. Like I said, guys, this is a 2006 Gsxr 750. Don't miss the test drive, and thanks so much for watching. See you guys later.